Now I know it's been a little while since our last kind of video was out about the home office. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in. So today you guys are gonna get your first official look at the completed home office renovation. Now I know it's been a little bit since our last video, but I do promise the wait was well worth it. It was a lot of hard work and a lot of time, a lot of patience. Really want to give a big shout out to my girlfriend for helping through the entire process of it all. Now, I'm not going to talk too much about the overall cost of the project, but I will put links in the description down below for you guys in case there's anything you're interested in. There were a few custom things we did with this project. If you guys are really interested in knowing how we did it and how we went about it, comment down below what you want to see. And without further ado, guys, let's get on with the tour. Hey, so I want to talk about one quick thing with you guys before I let you see the rest of the video, and that is renting. So if you rent a apartment, home, condo, whatever it might be, always talk to your landlord and always check your rental agreement before doing any modifications whatsoever. Not all complexes allow for painting and shelf installation and things, and they may have real strict guidelines on what you can and can't do. So always do your research before doing anything and double check. It'll save you guys a major headache in the future. Our complex is very open, so we were able to do a lot of this modification without any questions asked. So without further ado guys, let's get back to the video. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more future content. I do want to give a big shout out to my girlfriend Caitlin for helping through this entire process. The end result was extremely well worth the wait and worth all the headaches that we encountered. And I promise that this is the last office update. For now, who am I kidding? Until next time guys, I'll see ya. Go away, you're still here? Shoot. Come back tomorrow.